Hello guys, welcome. So this is an unboxing video. So I'm gonna be unboxing this new HP laptop which I got from Currys. So I'm gonna be unboxing it and then let's see what it's in it and how it looks. So I'm gonna change the camera around so you can be able to like see what I'm unboxing. Let's get right to it. So it came up with a set of instructions. Of course, the charger. Let me have a look at the charger if it's long enough, because there's some on it's not that long, but it's actually okay. Your standard. Okay, you know what? Actually, now it says long charger. Yeah, it is long charger. So, which means this has to be connected in here like this, and that's it. So it's a good size charger. So. And of course the laptop itself, well packed and secure for safety. So, and yeah, goes the data set. The real gun itself. Oops. Oh, I actually love it. Wow, and it's quite heavy. It's quite heavy, so I love it. So nice. And check the